Exercise 2.5. Question number 4. Student, x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Student, we have to find out the value of x. Here variable is x. We have to find out the value of x. To find the value of x, we will cross multiply it. Cross multiply it. Student, cross multiplication 5 into x minus 5. 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. Now student, 5 into x, that is 5x minus 5 5 are 25. 3 into x, that is 3x minus 3 9. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now student, we have to find out the value of x. Now student, we have to find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, we will keep the variable x in the left hand side.
Sir, 5x minus 3x equal to minus 9 by 5.
That is 2x. Student, minus 9 plus 25. 16. X is equal to 16 by 2. X is equal to 8. 8. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Student, pin drop silence. 10th, question number 10. Zero point 25 multiplied 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 bracket 10f minus 9. 10f minus 9. Now student, solving 0.25 multiplied with 4 f minus 0.25 multiplied 3. Now students, 0.05 multiplied 10f minus 0.05 multiplied 9. Now student, 0.25 multiplied 4f.
1.
Student, 25 4 are 100. After how many digits there will be decimals? 1, 2. After 2 digits there will be decimal. 1.00. 1.00f. Any doubt, any problems?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Now student, 25 3 are 75. After how many digits there will be decimal? 1, 2, 0.75.
Sir, 0.75.
Okay, student. Now, student, multiplied 0.05 with 10. F. 10 5s are 50. Now, student, after how many digits there will be decimal? 1, 2, 0.50 F.
0.50.
0.50 F. Now, students, multiplied it. 4 9 5s are 45. 0.45. Now, student, we will keep the variable on the left hand side and transfer the constant term on the right hand side. 1.00 F minus 0.50 F is equal to minus 0.45. It will transfer minus 0.75 from left hand side to right hand side. Minus sign change into plus sign. 0.75.
Yes.
Now, student, 1.00.
1.5%.
Now, student, 1.00 and 0.50. 1.00, 0.50. 0.50 is left. 0.50. is left. Now, student, minus 0.45 and 0.75.
0.30.
0.30.
Sir, 0.
Find out the value of f. 0.30. 0.50. Now, student, it becomes 30 by 100. We will remove the decimal.
Sir, x is equal to 3/5 is equal to 0.6.
100 by 50.
शायद 2 मिनट के लिए बात कर लूँ बच्चों से। क्लास 8 बी, मुझे जरा ये बता दो पुराने बच्चे कौन है? कुमारी पल्लवी, इज शी प्रेजेंट हियर? ओके, डज हर फ्रेंड्स नो हर हाउस?
Yes, ma'am.
व्हाट इज हर हाउस?
Ma'am, it is red.
रेड। ओके ओके ओके, कुमारी पल्लवी इज रेड। ओके, एंड शाकी सिंह, Shaki is an old student.
Now, student, exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6. 8x minus 3. First question, 8x minus 3 by 3x is equal to 2 by 1. Student, cross multiply it. Now student, 1 8x minus 3, that is 2 into 3x. Now student, 1 into 8x minus 3, 8x minus 3, 2 3s are 6x. Now student, we will keep the variable in left hand side, 8x minus 6x, and constant term in right hand side, that is 3. Now student, it becomes 8x minus 6x, that is twice of x, is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it.
No, sir.
Do it fast.
They're done.
Okay student, now question number 4 is
Done. They're done.
students, now question number 4 is 3y plus 4, 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Student, we have to find out the value of y. To find the value of y, cross multiply it. Cross multiply it. Students, 5 into 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 bracket 2 minus 6y. Now student, we will multiply 3y plus 4 with 5. 5 3s are 5 3s are
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Now students, 5 3s are 50y plus 5 4s are
20.
20
20.
minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus minus plus 2 6 are 12 15y minus 12y minus 4 minus 20. Now student, 15y minus 12y minus 4 minus 20 minus minus plus
So plus
sign will be minus.
or minus 1.
Now we have to find out the variable y. Students, 3 is multiplied to variable y. We have to find out the value of y. So minus 24 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. Y is equal to minus 8.
Done.
Question number 5. 7y plus 4 y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Student cross multiply it. 3 bracket 7y plus 4 minus 4 y plus 2. 3 bracket 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 multiplied by plus 2. Students solve it. 3 7s are
21.
21y. 3 4s are 12. Minus
Sir,
4y
21.
minus 8.
minus 4 minus 8.
Now student 21y plus 4y minus 8 minus 12. 25y is equal to minus minus plus sign will be minus.
Plus minus 20.
Y is equal to minus 20 by
25.
25.
5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Now student the value of y is minus 4 by 5.
Minus 4 by 5.
Yes students.
Minus 4 by 5.
Do it fast.
Sir, done.
Now student question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present age. Let present age of Hari be. Of Hari be. Hari be 5x years. 5x years. 5:7, 5x and 7x. And present age of Harry B. And present age of Harry B. That is 7
The next
x
years.
years. Friends, after 4 years, age of Hari will be. After 4 years, the age of Hari will be. After 4 years, the age of Hari will be 5x plus 4 years. And after 4 years, the age of Harry will be. Friend, what will be the age of Harry after 4 years?
7x plus 4 years.
7x plus 4 years. Years. Four years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. 3:4. Students, ratio of their ages will be 3:4 according to question. According to question. That is 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3:4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Cross multiply it. Now student, 3 multiplied 7x plus 4 is equal to 4 multiplied 5x plus 4. Student, do it fast.
Sir, done.
21x.
Student, it becomes 21x plus 3 4 are 12.
Is equal to 20.
12. That is 4 5 are 20x plus 16.
Plus 16.
21x plus 20x. 16 minus 12. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Yes. Student, do it fast.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, friends.
Sir, 21.
21x minus 20x. 21x minus 20x is equal to 16 minus 12. 20.
38 is equals to 5x is equals to 2 into 5 into 50 and 38 is equals to 7x. 7 into 4 is equals to 28.
Very good student. Very good. Very good students. Students, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now student, present age of Haribi, that is 5x years. 5 into 4 years, that is 20 years. And present is of Haribi, that is 7x. 7 into 4, that is 28 years.
years.
28 years. Student, do it fast.
Then, sir.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
Now student, 7th question. Now student, question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17, denominator is decreased by 1, the number of 10 is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Students, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Let numerator be x and denominator b. Student, your denominator of a rational number is greater means plus, greater than its numerator by 8. And your denominator is 8 greater than numerator. 8 greater than numerator. That is x plus 8.
X plus 8.
X plus 8. Now required rational number b. Therefore required rational number b. Rational number b. That is numerator by denominator. X by x plus 8. Required rational number b. Rational number here numerator divided by denominator. Numerator divided by denominator. Now students, if the numerator is increased by 17 according to questions, according to question, your numerator is increased by 70 and denominator is decreased by 1. X plus 8 minus 1 decreased by 1. Your rational number becomes, that is 3 by 2. 3 by. Students, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, student. Now x plus 17. 8 minus 1. 3 by 2.
7.
Cross multiplied it. Now student, cross multiplied it. 2 bracket x plus 17. 3 bracket x plus 7. 2x twice of x. 2 into 17. 17 to the 34. 3x plus 3 7 the 21. Now student, 2x minus 3x. 21 minus 34. Minus x is equal to minus 13. Students, x is equal to 13.
Yes, sir, minus 13.
X is equal to 13. Students, your required rational number b. Required rational number b. 13 by 13 plus 8. 13 by 21. Required rational number b. Number b. That is x by x plus 8. What is x?
13.
13. 13 plus 8. 13 by 21. Now this question is complete. Now your chapter is also complete. Complete your notebook. Make a proper PDF and send it to me.